Hi, I'm Miss Boone. Today we're going to look at using the CAS to sketch sine and cos graphs that have translations in them. We're going to do a few shortcuts as well. So recall that this is an example from the other video, and we went through working out all these finer details, sketching the original graph and then sketching the final translated graph. Let's use our CAS calculator now to do the same. So we're going to try and sketch this red line with the CAS calculator. So the equation is 3 sine 2x plus 4. Let's remember that, 3 sine 2x plus 4. So first of all, we go to graph and tab. Then we type in our equation. So 3, I'm just going to move it up a little bit. And the shortcut for sine is shift 1, that gives sine. So 2x, and then what was it again? Plus 4. Hit enter. And now hit this little symbol here to sketch it. You can zoom, auto, so you can see our graph. And we can use analysis, gsolve, y-intercept, which is at 0, 4, we can see from the graph, and that's the same as our graph, 0, 4. The question, the end value happens at 2 pi. So to do that on the CAS, I would go to analysis, gsolve, I'm looking for my y value when x is 2 pi. So 2, and the shortcut for pi is shift 0, okay. And we know it's 2 pi because it's 6.2, so that's about 3.1 times 2. And the y value at that point is 4. So we know that we can use the CAS calculator to see that from here to the end of the domain, we have 2 cycles. So you can sketch this out and your y values using that. And you can also do maximum minimums. So you can find what the minimums are. So you know that the lowest value is 1, and then you can look for gsolve max to find the highest values, which is 7, same as our graph over here. Let's do one more example. Let me put the CAS away. Let's do this example, which was pretty hectic. So for this example, we have 4 cos 2 x minus pi on 3 minus 2. So again, let me untick this. Let's type in that question. So 4, the shortcut for cos is shift 2, and then we have 2 times x minus pi on 3. So again, the shortcut for pi is shift 0, pi on 3, close bracket, and then minus 2. That was our equation. Enter, and let's sketch that. And click on zoom, auto, and it gives us roughly what the graph should look like. So we can go to analysis, gsolve, y-intercept. See, we start at -4, and that's good because the -4 matches with our -4. And we can look for the maximum value on the graph and the minimum value, and that gives us 2 and -6. And we can also look at the end point. So we want to go to 2 pi. So again, gsolve, ycalc when it's 2 pi. So I would hit 2, shift 0, okay. And now I know, hang on, let me put myself on top so I can point at it. I know that, so putting the endpoints mean now I know that my graph will end up there. So when I look at my CAS, I start from here, I do up, down, up, down, up. So I know that my graph should look like that when I sketch it. So you can use your graph to find your x-intercepts as well, like we normally do. Analysis, gsolve, root. The word root means x-intercepts. And I can click left, right to get to the next value. So for example, this one here, I know you can't see it, but it reads 0.52. That's pi on 6. The next one reads 1.57. That's half a pi. 1.57 is half a pi. I hope that was useful, and I'll see you next time. Bye.